Hi. So today we are making crispy corn dogs. So I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cups of yellow cornmeal, uh, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of dry mustard, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. I have a cup of milk, 2 eggs. They're not yet beaten. And then 2 tablespoons of shortening. I will be melting it here in a minute. Then I got some wieners, and then I have some skewers. And then I have a small deep fryer, so I'm hoping everything works out. And then it asks for a cup. So it says, combine flour, cornmeal, sugar, mustard, baking powder, and salt. Add milk and eggs and shortening until mixed smooth. Pour a mixture into a tall glass. Put wieners on skewers. Dip wieners one at a time in the batter. Fry until a golden brown in oil. Drain on paper towel. And then it says at the bottom, which is a cool one, P.S. Make a bunch and put it in the freezer for after-school snacks. Sure. Maybe it doesn't have to be after school. Maybe just like a random snackish. Be amazing. Okay, so combine the flour, cornmeal, mustard, sugar, salt, baking powder, and that. Aw, crap horse. Holy crap, I think this is gonna fit all in my glass.
Surface gravity on Kepler 22b is approximately 2.07 times the gravity of Earth.
Yeah, thanks. I noticed that one. There you go. Have you analyzed the atmosphere yet?
Analysis process.
Oh, so the answer was no. You're still good. Okay.
The thick atmosphere of Kepler 22b likely contains high levels of hydrogen and helium. two gases that are common on larger planets. But if there isn't any oxygen in the atmosphere, you wouldn't be able to breathe. Well, what you should also worry about is the water. It could be acidic or contaminated with toxic elements like heavy metals.
All right, so let's see how this works.
It would come up to your waist. It was 14 to 15 meters long and it weighed over 1,000 kilograms. Luckily, the Titanobol wasn't venomous, but don't let that trick you into believing it was safe. It had a different way of killing its victims, by squeezing the life out of them. Literally, by wrapping itself around your body or squeezing your windpipe, and then swallowing you whole. And if you tried to slip out, you never grow sharp little teeth that would dig into you. But you could see this creature coming, right? No, not a chance. The Titanoboa was the perfect color. A color that allowed it to camouflage itself in its swampy environment. It would sit and wait for the perfect moment to strike. It feasted mainly on fish, turtles, and crocodiles. So, if the Titanoboa was so dominant, what finally made it go extinct for reptiles again? Our newly evolved Titanoboas have a warm-blooded inner architecture that has helped them survive the cooling of prior epochs, but as the Earth heats again, the Titanoboa would once again lean on the environment for heat rather than using its muscular interactivity. Conditions would be right for the Titanoboa to hunt more effectively and grow big